Alright, so I applied the brisket here at about 12:30. It's a 6-pound brisket. Recommending about 6 hours if you're running your temperature low and slow, which is in between 2 1/4 and 250. I'm keeping it a little higher than that because I've been fighting wind all day. So we're running about a comfortable 270 degrees right now. I went ahead and made some homemade dry rub this time. Brown sugar, paprika, seasoning salt, and black pepper. That's about it. Now rub the meat thoroughly and kind of let it sit for a little bit before I put it on the smoker. Another pro tip, leave the lid on until it's nearing completion. Then you can probe the temperature with the meat thermometer here. I've been using it to track my temperature all day. I'll go ahead and turn it off here to save the battery. But once it gets nearing completion, I got about another hour yet. I'll take the lid off, see how it looks, stick the probe in, and it should be right around anywhere in between 175 and 190 they recommend for brisket. The higher the better, but the longer and the lower temperature you use to cook it creates a better, juicier brisket, and it should be ready to rock and roll. And then I got the old junk-ass gas grill on standby over there because I got some smoked sausage, green onion bratwurst, and regular bratwurst. So we're going to fire that up here in about a half hour, and going to keep on keeping on. But I think for right now, I got the temperature right where I need to be, and I'm going to go inside and get me some refreshment. Getting her burn off. Going to give her a quick scrubbing here. Then I'll go inside and get the meat. Oh yeah. Nice and greasy from the leftover cheese last time. Just make a quick sweep here and be ready to get the meat. Going full-blown German tonight. We have the proverbial smorgasbord of sausage here. We got down in front, we have some smoked pork sausage. Right here, these four are regular bratwurst, and these, I'm curious to see, are green onion bratwurst. We're going to go ahead and throw them on the old junk-ass barbecue. There's some raspberries I picked earlier. Wild, fresh. Alright, full-blown German. We're going to reduce the heat down to low here, and we're going to cook on low tonight. And see some of the cheese leftovers burning up, but try to keep them organized here. So green onions I'll throw here. And then we will throw the old brats the other way. Whoop, hello, slippery. And then put all the smoked pork sausage over yonder. The only thing I gotta go get yet is some hot dogs for the girls. Notice my use of parchment paper here so that we can keep things cleanly. Low temperature, still around about 250 degrees. Just gave the sausage smorgasbord their first flip. It's going to be delicious. A little bit of rain shower come through, but the sun's out. Welcome to Ohio. As always, refreshment and whatnot. Just going to check the undersides here. What we're looking for is that nice golden brown color on these fresh brats. Now that's what we're talking about right there. That's a nice color. Gonna go ahead and flip them again. Kinda gotta get your heat placement here correct. I'm gonna have to crank these up a little bit. I'll finish them off here. So let's get grill marks going here. And we're gonna turn up the heat a little bit. Once they start to brown up, we'll throw them up here on the top rack with the dogs. Just so we're not overcooking. While we wait and enjoy the beautiful sunshine, go ahead and crack me open another fresh cerveza and enjoy. Look at that cloud. My. There's some beautiful cloud formations out here. Just 2 miles south of Funk, Ohio. Isn't that something? Sun's still out. A little rain shower went through not too long ago. Oh, what do we got here? Another pretty good cumulonimbus cloud coming through. That is a technical term. Google it. And over here on the Junk Ass Barbecue, everything's coming along nice. We've got some flaming going on. Better turn that down. Jeez Louise, look at it go. So I've already moved some up here to the top rack. Got the old tongs today because of the minor malfunction we had the other day, but that's good. Going to go to the top rack. Got the green onion moved out front here because the front half of the grill cooks a little hotter than the back, but they're coming along nicely. A couple more minutes here. Some of the smoked sausage, and it's going to go up top here because they done. Stack them high, sell them low. But we'll just get them moved up here out of the way. There's several of those that are done. Rock and roll. Got a couple more here to finish up. Little guy right here, huh? And yeah, like I said, come along nicely. I'm gonna crank these back up over here just to maybe spread the love a little bit. Get these green onion ones finished up here. Be back with you. So I pulled some of the items off here and I got them on the cookie sheet, covered them up with foil. Didn't want to get them too dry there, but still waiting on these green onion brats here to get a little more brown. They were a little bigger than the regular brats, but you know, they're coming along. I'm finishing them up here on low, and then I'll add them to the thing. We're just real close to going over here and doing the big reveal on the old brisket. 6-pound homemade dry rub, paprika, brown sugar, you know the deal. We'll get to that here shortly. Looks like the green onion ones are finally done here. We're going to go ahead and pull them off, put them on the cookie sheet. Enjoy this. Oh, that looks amazing. As always, safety first. Go ahead and turn your heat off. You don't want to be wasting propane for no reason. Shut the lid, let her cool. As soon as the wife gets out here, I'm going to go ahead and do the big reveal on the old 6-pound brisket. Should be good. Guess I'll go ahead and finish the rest of this cerveza and start the next. Clouds look a little ominous. Look at them. Wonder what's going to happen. Going to get rained out. Hopefully the wife gets out here so I can take that big, beautiful brisket off the smoker. Oh! Alright kids, it's time for the big reveal here. I'll go ahead and pull the lid and see how the brisket looks. Oh, it's a little sticky. Oh, look at that bark. That is just great. Went ahead and lined my cutting board here with some parchment paper. And I got my big fork here, barbecue fork. That's what the BF stands for, barbecue fork. And we're going to go ahead and fork this bad boy. And put it on the thing. Oh, yeah. That's one big hunk of meat. Unbelievable. Cover it with foil. I'm going to cut it here in a few.